Good Care. It's choreographed by Jo Kinser, Ruben Luna and John Kinser. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has restarts on wall 4 after 16 counts and on wall 9 after 4 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts, and then we're going to go through and do 10 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Take Good Care. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right heel grind, so you're going to place your right heel forward, coming up onto your right heel with your toe slightly pointed to the left. You're going to put your weight onto your right heel and rotate your toes to the right, and then you're going to step forward with your left. We're now going to run forward, stepping right forward, left forward, right forward. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and then do a left shuffle back, stepping left back, right together, left back. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a 3/4 paddle turn. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder as you point your right toe to the right side. You'll now be facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do a syncopated jazz box into a crossing shuffle. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, quickly step your right foot to the right side, and now you're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're rocking back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, you're going to kick your right foot into the right diagonal twice. Kick, kick. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do toe switches. So you're going to point your left toe to the left side, quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. Quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our crossing shuffle. You're going to kick into the right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box, crossing your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and step your left foot slightly forward. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. You're going to step back onto your right, slightly rocking back and kicking your left foot forward. You're then going to recover onto your left foot and flick your right foot back. So let's try that with some counts. Doing your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel grind. Heel grind, step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, 3/4 paddle, jazz, box, ball, crossing shuffle, diagonal kick, kick, behind side cross, point, step, point, step, point, step, point. Jazz, box with a step forward, rock, recover, back, kick, forward, flick. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The first one is going to happen on wall 4. You'll dance the first 16 counts and then restart. So we're facing wall 4, it'll be 9 o'clock. Let's dance the first 16 counts of the dance. Starts with your heel grind. Heel grind, step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, 3/4, pivot. Now your cross, back, ball, crossing shuffle. Right here, you're now going to restart the dance, heel grind, step, run forward. This will become wall 5. You'll dance wall 5, wall 6, wall 7, wall 8, all the way through. When you come back to face the front for wall 9, you're going to do the first 2 counts like we would to start the dance. So you will do your heel grind step. Now instead of running forward, we're going to do a syncopated rocking chair. So you're going to quickly rock forward onto your right foot, recover back onto your left, quickly rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and then you're going to restart the dance here. That will become wall 10. So let's just practice that restart with that step change. Weight is on your left, you're doing your heel grind step, now your rocking chair. Let's try it with counts. Weight is on your left, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you would do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you'll dance the rest of the dance all the way through without worrying about anything. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice both restarts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel grind. Heel grind step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover 3/4 with your paddle, cross, back, ball, crossing shuffle, diagonal kick, kick, behind side cross, point step, point step, point step, point, jazz box with a step forward, rock, recover, back, kick, forward, flick. Now your heel grind, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel grind step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover 3/4 paddle, cross, back, ball, crossing shuffle, kick, kick, behind side cross, point step, point step, point step, point. Jazz box with a step forward, rock, recover, back, kick, forward, flick. Now you're dancing 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Restart, heel grind step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover 3/4 paddle, cross, back, ball, crossing shuffle, kick, kick, behind side cross, point step, point step, point step, point. Jazz box with a step forward, rock, recover, back, kick, forward, flick. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel grind step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover 3/4 paddle, cross, back, ball, crossing shuffle, kick, kick, behind side cross, point step, point step, point step, point. Jazz box with a step, rock, recover, back, kick, forward, flick. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to do the 4 counts with the step change. Heel grind step, rocking chair forward and back, restart, heel grind step, run, 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 rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, the 3/4 paddle, cross, back, ball, crossing shuffle, kick, kick, behind side cross, point step, point step, point step, point. Jazz box with a step forward, rock, recover, back, kick, forward, flick. And then you would finish the dance on till the end of the song. So now that you have practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so that you could go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Take good care. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.